In the sky. How do you wake up in the morning? Is it bright or dark outside when you wake up? The sun and the stars. We see the sun, the stars, and the moon in the sky. The sun is a star, just like other stars. The sun is a big ball of fire. It gives us heat and light. It is much bigger than the earth. Then, why does it look so small? Because it is very far away from the earth. We feel warm when we stand under the sun. The weather changes because of the sun. We cannot see the sun at night. The sun is very important to us. It is the main source of energy. Plants use sunlight to make their food and give us food. Without the sun, there would have been no life on the earth. We see the stars in the night sky. They twinkle and shine at night. Like sun, they also are big balls of fire. The stars are very far away from the earth, so they look very small. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. The moon. The moon is a ball of rock. It shines at night. The shape of moon seems to change every night. The changing shapes are called phases of moon. It is closer to us than the sun. The moon does not have its own light. It shines because of the sunlight falls on it. The first person to walk on the moon was Neil Armstrong. The name of the spaceship on which they traveled was Apollo 11. Indians in space. People who travel in space are called astronauts. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian astronaut to travel in space. Two Indian women, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, have also traveled in space. Shadow. Have you seen your shadow? When we stand in the sun, we see a dark shape similar to our body on the ground. When an object comes in the way of light, the shadow of the object is formed. Light travels in a straight line. It cannot pass through many objects. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of light. You can see your shadow in the sun. Sometimes shadows are long and sometimes short in the sun. It depends on the position of the sun. Shadows are long in the morning and evening. At noon, shadows are very short. The size of a shadow is different if the distance between the object and the light is different.